Welcome to Internet Infrastructure Explained.
Have you ever tried to visit your favorite website, only to find it stubbornly refuses to load, or perhaps it takes you to an outdated version of the page, even though you know it has been updated? It is a common and often frustrating experience for many users. You should flush your local domain name system cache primarily when you are experiencing connectivity issues with a specific website, after a domain's internet protocol address has changed, or when troubleshooting potential security problems like domain name spoofing. Flushing ensures your system uses the most current and correct address information. Your operating system maintains a local domain name system cache, which is essentially a temporary storage of recent domain name resolutions. When you type a website address like example.com, your computer first checks this local cache before sending a request to external domain name system servers. This process significantly speeds up browsing by avoiding repeated lookups. However, if an entry in this cache becomes stale, meaning the website's internet protocol address has changed but your cache still holds the old one, you will fail to connect correctly. This can happen if a website migrates to a new server or if the domain name system records are updated. Recognizing when to flush involves observing specific symptoms. If you can access some websites but not others, or if a website appears broken or outdated despite working fine for others, your local domain name system cache might be the culprit. Another key indicator is if you or your network administrator have recently changed the domain name system records for a domain, but your machine is still resolving to the old internet protocol address. In these situations, clearing the cache forces your computer to perform a fresh domain name system lookup, retrieving the most current information. Understanding the concept of time to live, or TTL, is crucial here. Every domain name system record has a TTL value, which tells caching servers how long they should store that record before checking for updates. Even if the official domain name system servers have a new internet protocol address, your local cache might still respect its old TTL, causing a delay in recognizing the change. Flushing overrides this TTL by clearing all cached entries immediately, forcing a direct query to the configured domain name system resolver. This can be particularly useful for developers or network administrators during migrations or troubleshooting. Flushing your local domain name system cache is a powerful yet simple diagnostic step that helps ensure your computer always connects to the correct and current internet protocol addresses for the websites you visit. It is a fundamental action in network troubleshooting, effectively resolving many common browsing anomalies and keeping your network interactions smooth and secure by eliminating outdated or potentially malicious cached entries.
If you love understanding how the web works, like, subscribe, and stay connected with us.